Introduce highlight features or overview summary for ACONEE 14,000 BTU portable air conditioner with remote control. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: faster refrigerating and more energy saving. 14,000 BTU portable air conditioner is a powerful indoor AC packed with multiple cooling modes, from a cool, dry, fan, and eco to sleep mode. A practical way to get faster and more efficient air cooling for a single bedroom or a large living room that is around 750 square feet. Effortless install. Just wheel this portable air conditioner into any room with a double hung or sliding window. Attach the included hose and window adapter, and plug it into an outlet. Easy to use and clean. The simple remote control and top-mounted LED display with a 24-hour timer allow you to precisely control the air temperature. To clean the filter, simply remove the filter from the back, clean it with water, and put it back in. 3-in-1 functionality. Portable AC air conditioner includes 3 modes to choose from: cool, dry, and fan. 64 pints per day dehumidification capacity, bucketless self-evaporative operation, keep your room cool, clean, and dry. Double motor. Dual motor design, compared with a single motor, has a stronger cooling capacity, cooling efficiency is 30% higher than the similar single motor, higher working efficiency. More energy saving and environmental protection, and less noise. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us, and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.